Good afternoon, guys. Welcome back to the channel. I am Belko Builds, and as you can see here today, we are going to be cutting my fenders to fit these massive 35-inch tires. We are having some rubbing problems, so without further ado, let's get started. So as you guys can see here, I do have my tape line all set up. I did pretty much just go each way about an inch, but here I am using my 3-inch die grinder to follow the tape line all the way around. However, just to let you guys know, I am planning on going with a long arm kit on this Jeep. I am going to go pretty significantly higher, but however, I need to make room anyways. So this is the reason I'm cutting them as of right now. So there you guys go, got the fenders all cut out. Well, this side to be exact. I'm gonna pull the tire off here just to make more room so I can access that pinch weld against the passenger side floorboard. Gonna go ahead and cut the corner off, which I believe is coming up. You can see it more on the left-hand side there of the fender well. There I am cutting the corner off closer to where the fender mounts to on the bottom pinch rail. I'm gonna cut that corner off, then we're gonna go ahead and fold it back. However, I did not get any shots of me folding the pinch weld because I'm kind of just hammering it in there. But I did do one relief cut in that corner up in the top crevice. That just made it a little bit easier to get into that bend there, just so it would sit flush so the tires don't catch it or anything like that. Alrighty, so got that all done there. That pinch rail is all folded back. Here I am using my angle sander, just knocking off the burr on both ends. I am going to be adding one of those rubber strips so the tire doesn't get cut up by it. Kind of almost like one of those door jamb little seals that prevents from door dings, but you wrap it all the way around the fender there. It gives it a little more of a finished look. So I am going to primer that edge so I don't get any rust or anything. But that's just going to aesthetically make it look a little bit better. I'm going to go ahead and lower this down and get started on the other side. So same thing on the other side, got my template laid up there, then traced it out and then put my tape line on there. And again, just using my 3-inch die grinder, knocking that line out, making sure it looks all clean. And that's about it, guys. Just follow the same exact process as I did on the other side. Hope you guys enjoyed. Be sure to like this video, comment, subscribe, share this with your friends. I'm trying to build this channel, guys. I appreciate you watching.